Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana after password reset, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type asana.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the login option, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button. If you have just reset your password, enter the email address associated with your Asana account. Click on the Continue button after entering your email. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Asana. Open the email and look for the link to set a new password. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the provided field, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Re-enter the new password in the confirmation field. After confirming your password, click on the Reset Password button. Once your password is reset, you will see a confirmation message. Now, go back to the Asana login page. Enter your email address again in the login field. This time, input your new password. Click the Login button to access your Asana account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Asana dashboard. You are now successfully logged into Asana after your password reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.